stand for my illuminated present box. The centerpiece for a church ladies' Christmas dinner. And I put the pixie lights in, so I'm showing you. I used 4 from dollar store, 4 pixie lights. And can you see it in the camera? Yeah. I turn them on now. You can see the difference. This is number 3, number 4. So I have the light in there, and see it reflects from the bottom, so that is nice. If you have like a mirror or a you know, like a metal bottom, it reflects in there. That's why I'm doing it. Now I cut from bought 2 rolls to make sure I have enough. Also from dollar store I bought these. Oh no, were these from Michael's? They were from Michael's, yeah. I bought these 2 rolls. And if you find something bigger where you can wrap the whole thing, that's even better. I found those. It was the biggest I found. So I will wrap them in hot glue. My glue gun is already heating up. I will hot glue the rims here on the cage, and then glue those over. So 2 on this side, 2 on this side, and then I let them dry, and then we probably do another round of mesh just to make it a little nicer. We will see. I also have other fabric I can use, but I will let it dry first, and then we see what we go from there then.